If you're looking to set up a trust for generational wealth using cryptocurrency, Stellar Lumens XLM might be a great option. In this video, we'll guide you through the steps involved in setting up a trust using XLM. This is including determining the type of trust you want to create, choosing a trustee, setting up the trust document, funding the trust with XLM, creating a trust account on the Stellar network, and managing the trust. We'll also discuss the advantages of using Stellar Lumens XLM for funding your trust and the importance of consulting with a legal professional to ensure your trust is legally valid and meets your specific needs. Whether you're a cryptocurrency enthusiast or a newcomer, this video will provide you with the information you need to set up a trust for generational wealth using XLM. Setting up a trust for generational wealth using Stellar Lumens XLM, a step-by-step guide part 2. Setting up a trust for generational wealth using Stellar Lumens XLM involves several steps. The following is a detailed guide to help you through the process. Step 1. Determine the type of trust you want to create. There are several types of trusts that you can create, including revocable living trusts, irrevocable trusts, and testamentary trusts. Each of these trusts has its advantages and disadvantages. You should consult with a legal professional to determine which trust best fits your needs. Step 2. Choose a trustee. The trustee is the person or organization that will manage the trust assets and distribute them to the beneficiaries. You should choose a trustworthy and competent individual or entity to act as the trustee. Step 3. Set up the trust document. The trust document is a legal instrument that outlines the terms of the trust, including the purpose of the trust, the beneficiaries, and the trustee's powers and duties. You should work with a legal professional to draft a comprehensive trust document. Step 4. Fund the trust. You can fund the trust with assets such as cash, stocks, real estate, or other assets. In this case, you will be funding the trust with Stellar Lumens XLM. You will need to transfer the XLM to the trust's wallet address. Step 5. Create a trust account on the Stellar network. To create a trust account on the Stellar network, you will need to follow these steps. Go to the stellar.org website and click Get Started on the top right corner of the page. Follow the instructions to set up your account. Once your account is set up, you will need to create a trust line for the XLM token. A trust line is a line of credit that enables your trust account to hold and receive XLM. To create a trust line, you will need to enter the XLM issuer's account ID and the asset code, which is XLM. Once the trust line is created, you can transfer the XLM to the trust account. Step 6. Manage the trust. Once the trust is established, the trustee will manage the trust assets and distribute them to the beneficiaries according to the trust document's terms. The trustee will need to monitor the Stellar network to ensure that the XLM is safe and secure. In conclusion, setting up a trust for generational wealth using Stellar Lumens XLM involves several steps. These steps include determining the type of trust you want to create, choosing a trustee, setting up the trust document, funding the trust with XLM, creating a trust account on the Stellar network, and managing the trust. It is recommended that you work with a legal professional to ensure that your trust is legally valid and meets your specific needs.